Another day, another story. Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is all about finding the perfect topic for your YouTube videos. Whether you're just starting out or looking to branch out, choosing the right topic can make all the difference in building an engaged audience and growing your channel. So, let's get started. First, it's important to consider your interests and passions. What are you truly passionate about and what do you love to talk about? This is the foundation of your content, and it's important to choose a topic that you can talk about for hours on end. Next, think about your target audience. Who are they, and what are they interested in? Do some research and see what types of videos are popular within your niche. You can also look at the types of videos your competitors are making and see what's working for them. Some popular video topics include how-to tutorials, vlogs, product reviews, comedy skits, gaming, travel, beauty and fashion, fitness and health, DIY projects, Q&A sessions, educational videos, and music. Of course, these are just a few examples, but the possibilities are endless. Now it's time to brainstorm and jot down some ideas for your own videos. Remember, you can always start small and gradually expand your topic as you grow your channel. And there you have it, a few tips for choosing the perfect topic for your YouTube videos. Remember, the key is to choose something you're passionate about and that your target audience will find interesting. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.